Welcome to this how-to video. This time we will show you how to turn on guided access. What means that you have access to only one app. Could be helpful if a kid wants to play a game on your iPhone. Go to the settings menu. Search for accessibility. Scroll down until you see guided access. Turn the function on. In this video we will use Spotify for example. Open the app and press the side button 3 times. Guided access will now open. Press start at the top right. Choose a passcode only you knows. Repeat it. From now on there is no possibility to return to the home screen or activate the control center. Press the side button 3 times again. If you want to change the options you need your password. Go to options at the bottom left. Now you see what options you can turn on and off. You can set a time limit and when the time is up, your alarm will go off. After changing the options, press resume. If you want to end the guided access, press the side button 3 times again. Fill in your password and press end in the top left corner. Now you have full access to your iPhone again.